Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is we have a dedicated session for gloves, okay, because there are questions, because today we are going to do the Q&A, right? So there's a question that asks about glove stock, glove outlook. So I will try my best based on my opinion, okay, to analyze the long-term view of the glove stock, and hopefully, okay, can share some light to you guys who is interested in glove, which is a lot. Okay, which is a lot. Okay, and this is actually question coming from here, John Matthews. What's your overall analysis on glove sector? Knowing fundamentally the gloves boys are the strongest for now and even in coming years. Okay, definitely the gloves boys are strong. Okay, but whether the fund is strong, okay, the investors, okay, are the strong one who is coming in. As we know, right, for the market to really spike, right, we really go up exponentially, okay, most of the time we need big fund, okay, which is banks, organization, all those. So until we get all this big fund going in, right, the retail sector, there's so much that the retail sector can do, okay, to bring up bring up the value of a stock. Okay, never mind, that one we go through it. Okay, before we start the session, please help me like and share the video. Okay, and also if you are new here, remember, okay, click the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss my video. I do 2 videos every day. Okay, on the market day, right, of course 2 videos, one in Chinese and one in English with the same content, and I also do a recap on the Sunday. Okay, Sunday I'll do a recap of the stock that I talked about. And one good news is that my third video on how to use technical chart, okay, on the trend lines is almost ready. Okay, so by next week, okay, I will be publishing the video, okay, in Chinese, both is Chinese and English version. So hopefully you guys, hopefully I can share some light on how to use the trend lines. Okay, before we start again, thank you, okay, for all your comment, all your support. New boss, Yellow, Lian, Uncle John, Nicholas, Madama, Mr. Cha, Aaron. So okay, Jamie. So thanks for all your support, okay, and all your comment. Okay, so this video we got 4 segment, okay, or you call it 4 points. Okay, first I want to talk about is a fundamental analysis versus the chart. Okay, when I look at TOPGLOV, the price, right? This is the JP Morgan article. Okay, the JP Morgan article that they actually from last year, end of last year, they talk about the devalue, right? They talk about they devalue the current price of all the few of the big 4, and they give it a fair value because judging from the pandemic, okay, from the use of a glove, from the prices of glove that they expect to drop. So they have done some research and they have published it. Okay, we'll go through it a little bit. and we will also look at the short-term buyers. What do I think about the glove stock in the short term and the long term? Okay, of course this one will most, okay, most likely mostly sorry based on the chart because this is more on a technical chart. Okay, fundamental, there's a few YouTuber, okay, and a few blog that talk about a lot of fundamental in glove, okay, but still some of them still got it wrong because fundamentally, okay, doesn't always create the result that we want in the stock market, not the P&L the stock market. Because Malaysia, a lot of Malaysian, right, uh, they invest in stock. It's like they invest in a dream, right? Like buying a lottery, right? So they invest in a dream. So when the dream did not happen, right, last time, right, so a lot of them, okay, will try to stay away, right? So even though the fundamental is good, but okay, but in the market when it doesn't score, right, so people will, okay, start to forget. But never mind, that is just my take on the investment, not all, some of the investors, right? So okay, fundamental analysis versus chart. We look at the fundamental for top glove. Okay, top glove 713. We look at the annual report, right? From 2019, okay, before pandemic, 4.8 billion, profit 370 million, and 2020 pandemic year, okay, 7.2 billion, okay, revenue, almost double, and the net also, okay, 1.9 billion, okay. So uh, quadruple, right? Okay, almost like four, so almost 5 times, right, the profit. Okay, so fundamentally there's no problem, right? No issue. They are making a lot of money, and you see 2021, right? Okay, 2021, 2021, right? The year, okay, the financial year 2021. The first quarter and second quarter add up, right? Okay, the 2 quarter add up, right? Only 2 quarter already beat last year whole year, you know. Okay, last year whole year was 7.2 billion revenue, 1.9 billion net. Okay, so this one, the financial year for 2021, right? 2 quarters already, okay, 10.1 billion and 5.2 billion net. Okay, that means even though, okay, the stock business today, right, they don't do anything, okay, and of course they close the shop, they don't have any expenses, they still will beat the last year result, and the profit also will almost double up the profit next year. Okay, unless there is a big disaster, right, you don't see this profit, right, is going to go down. And okay, it could be this year, right, could be 3 times, 2 times to 3 times the profit. Now already 2 times over should be, okay, 2 times, 3 times, maybe 4 times the profit, right, of the last year. Okay, looking at this, okay, this chart here, right. So there's fundamentally there's no problem, yes, definitely there's no problem, right. So we look at the chart, top glove. Okay, so why the chart is coming down, right? Okay, the chart is coming down, but the profit is going up. Okay, why? Is it doesn't align, right? Because from what I know, okay, the big fund aren't buying into the glove stock. Okay, so when the big fund are not buying, right, there are only so much the retail market can do, okay, to support the the stock. Okay, so when the big fund is not buying, okay, the most the big the retail can do is okay, push it sideways probably, okay, push it sideways. But the problem is what? Okay, after the big drop here, right, the retail can push it to certain height before all these people that got caught over here start to sell. Okay, and the retail does not necessarily have the enough, okay, enough firepower, right? Firepower, or you say the fund, okay, okay, to actually, okay, push, okay, to go against all these people who is going to sell. Okay, so whenever we see a rebound, right, there are tons of people selling because there is a lot of people caught here. Okay, a lot of people caught. So the selling pressure is too much for the retail buyers to go in, unless, okay, the the big banks start to buy, okay, where they can gulp up whatever amount of selling you can throw in, they can pick it up, then probably, okay, the price can go up. This is what I see, okay, the first point. Second point is price has reached a fair value except TOPGLOV. Okay, means price has reached fair value means, okay, now, okay, the price is according to their sales, okay, according to the performance, right, that is analyzed by this JP Morgan, the biggest US bank, right. So they have give this value, okay, fair value of JP Morgan TOPGLOV, okay, 350. From that time was 690. They give a fair value of 350. Okay, and Catalega, okay, 850. They give a fair value. They give a fair value of 850 from 1272. And Kossan, okay, they give it to 380 from the price of 539. Okay, so let's see whether now what has happened to the price. Okay, because they have studied all the the supply and demand, right, for the upcoming quarters, okay, upcoming years, okay. So this is what they, okay, this is what they come out with. Okay, let's see. TOPGLOV, they talk about the value is 350. They give the value is 350. So what happened to TOPGLOV? So JP Morgan, right, the price is still here. Okay, so TOPGLOV have not actually reached the fair value yet. Okay, so there's still some danger here. Okay, and we talk about this one, double top. Okay, a broke of double top. So this here and here, right? Normally, there's no guarantee. Okay, this, sorry, let me draw it properly. So the neckline, actually, the top to the neckline is actually below here. Okay, so what happened is here and here, right? From the break should be the same. Okay, should be the target, means the price should move down to here. Okay, so this is what happened in a double top situation, right? Double top. Okay, chart pattern. We talk about chart pattern. Okay, so this is where the price JP Morgan give. Okay, 3.5. Okay, so still slightly above. Okay, the target of a double top pattern. Okay, so there is still, okay, danger, okay, on the TOPGLOV, okay, that this one, okay, might continue to go down. Okay, might continue to go down because it haven't reached the fair value given, and haven't reached the bottom of the double top. Okay, so this one, and then, okay, we talk about Kossan, right? Kossan. Okay, the fair value given was 3.8. So Kossan already passed 3.8, it already reached 3.15. Okay, so now it is actually cheaper than the fair value given. Okay, yes, so this one already went up. Okay, so this one, right, unlikely, right, which I think, right, unlikely the price is going to go down anymore. Okay, unlikely. Okay, given the profit they are doing, so this is the share fair value. Okay, and Harta. Okay, Harta, the fair value was 8.5. So Harta is also reached the, okay, 8.5 area, means it already reached the fair value. Okay, so this one only also unlikely the price will go much lower. Okay, I'm not saying it will not go lower, but unlikely it will go much lower. Okay, it could be sideways, so unlikely it will go much lower. Okay, this is what I see about uh, some of the, okay, price. Okay, according to JP Morgan. So what are my short-term buyers and the long-term buyers? Okay, long-term uh, view. Okay, on the glove stock. Okay, we go into the, of course we go into the index. Okay, the index is most important. Okay, short-term. Look at the short-term view, right? Okay, price. What happened to the price? Okay, resistant. Okay, price broke down, support, okay, broke down, become resistant. Okay, so the price actually, okay, went down to 2875. Okay, so the price actually U-turn back. Okay, this is a U-turn. Okay, uh, what we call it, a V-shaped rebound, right? Okay, a rebound, a rebound. Okay, but the problem is, okay, it cannot, okay, it did not break above the previous resistance. Okay, once the price cannot break above previous resistance, okay, so there is a lot of selling pressure here. Okay, so resistance, so it came back down. Okay, so in short term it cannot break. Okay, it cannot break, right? Cannot break previous resistance. Okay, and the price stay in the previous support. This is the previous bottom, right? And it cannot break previous resistance. So in short term, okay, my bias is sideways. Okay, means neutral. Okay, I okay, I would it's likely, right? It's likely the price will stay sideways. Okay, with no big breakthrough in the short term. Okay, in the short term means between 2875 and 3415. Okay, so what I expect is like that. Unless, okay, the price can break above, okay, this 3415. Okay, then there is possibility, okay, the price will have momentum to continue to go up. Okay, or if the price breaks below, okay, 2875, okay, so there could be, okay, a risk that the price will continue to fall. Okay, but okay, as I said, Kossan, okay, and Harta already reached the fair price, right? So it's unlikely that it will drop, but nobody will know because, okay, the market, okay, anything can happen. Okay, it's not up to us to say what happened to market. We just need to follow the market, look at the chart, okay, and let the chart show us, okay, let the chart show us what should we do next. Okay, this is why we need to refer to the chart. Okay, why we need to refer to the pattern, because pattern, okay, is proven that it have a high uh, uh, tendency, right? High tendency, okay, and high probability that this will happen. There's no guarantee, but high probability. When we trade, okay, with high probability, we have an advantage. Okay, so that is what we're trying to do. And the last one we want to talk about is long term. Long term requirement, right? So if for long term, for me to buy, okay, I would not invest in glove, okay, when glove is still in this downtrend. Okay, long term. So this is a downtrend. You see, look at this channel. This is a downtrend channel. So I have drawn a new channel because last time I focused on the short term, the small channel, right? Okay, so this question is about long term. Okay, it's not about short term. Okay, short term we got a short term breakout. Okay, but we're talking about long term. As a long-term investor, right, I will not invest here. As long as the price is still below this trend line, right, means there is a lot of selling pressure over here. Okay, a lot of selling pressure over here. Okay, so I will not invest. Okay, maybe short term. Okay, maybe short term. Uh, Rebound of the glove, short term possible, but long term no. Okay, for long term, for me, right, it need to be a bullish stock. Okay, bullish stock means a stock that actually follow an uptrend line. Okay, follow an uptrend line like this. Okay, like this, follow an uptrend line. These are the stock that I will only invest. Okay, or a channel. Okay, the price in a uptrend channel, right? Okay, this type of stock I will invest. Okay, so this one you look at it. Okay, so this is still in a downtrend channel. So, okay, for long-term investment, I will not invest. But there is a possibility that the price, okay, may not continue to go down because, okay, as I said, okay, the JP Morgan already gave, okay, the value of some of the stock, okay, some of the stock they gave a fair value, right? Okay, so the price actually reached the fair value. Okay, the price has actually reached the fair value. So this one also, you look at the rebound over here, right? Okay, last time, all these rebound are very small. Okay, all these rebound are very small. Okay, after the drop, after the price start to drop, right, these rebound are very small. Okay, are very small. Means the buyers are very weak. Okay, sellers are strong, buyers are very weak. But this, you see this one. Okay, now we are talking that the buyers are stronger. Okay, these are the buyer strength last time. Okay, the buyer strength are, okay, these are the buyer strength, right? So now this time the buyer strength is stronger. Okay, so there are more support at this area. Okay, 28.75. Okay, so if the price come down again, or looks like the buyer might, okay, still continue to defend it. Okay, but as I said, long-term investment, I'm not talking about short-term. Okay, short-term, I have the previous video is talking about short-term. Long-term, right? You need to have a, okay, a breakup of this long-term trend line, and possible, okay, breakup, retest, resumption. Okay, breakup, retest, resumption. Okay, then okay, we will have a possible opportunity, long-term opportunity to go in to the okay, to the glove stock. Okay, short term, okay, I think, okay, short term should be sideways, means could be buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top, probably. Okay, but this is a bit difficult to do, okay, unless you are very experienced. Okay, let's go into the chart. So top glove, as I said, top glove, okay, the there are still two target, on the downtrend target, okay, and the downtrend target that haven't reached. This is the JP Morgan target, and this is the double top target. So this is still, okay, in the risk, okay, still risk that it might continue to go down. Okay, but now important, look at now, okay, top glove has actually broken out a trend line, broken out on a trend line. Okay, so this is some bullish momentum. Okay, but after that, okay, it got rejected at this area 6.12. Okay, and the price come back down. Okay, and this is the previous low 4.75. Okay, so currently watch, okay, for top glove, watch 6.125, okay, and 4.57. Okay, if the price stay inside here, okay, continue to stay inside here, means this could be sideways. Okay, means the price maybe, okay, might not come back to the old or the fair value. Maybe, okay, the price already hit the bottom. Okay, because others already hit the bottom, should likely already hit the bottom, right? So this one could be continued sideways. Okay, short term what I see, okay, because it cannot break up above here and stay above here, right? Say above 6.125 previously. So what I currently see, it could be sideways, unless okay the big boys, the bank, the big fund, okay, want to buy in. But no matter how good it looks, right, but the vaccine is already here. Okay, so no matter how big the profit this year, right, for Top Glove, right, whatever profit that we projected already TP over here, means they already got in here, okay, already make money over here. So these people already make money over here, right? Okay, that is without vaccine. Okay, now got vaccine, we want to see whether these people still have the heart to actually, okay, the big funds still have the interest to go in despite we have the vaccine. Okay, the more vaccine means the less, okay, uh, pandemic means the less requirement of stock, right, the less demand of stock. Okay, so we, from our uh, uh, long-term perspective, right, the stock demand will drop. Okay, how fast we don't know, but okay, but it will drop, right? So whether the big funds still want to push it like last time, okay, is yet to know. Okay, so this one, okay, is pushed by the big fund, right? So this one, okay, so if this one is a U-turn, okay, so the price actually starting to make a lower high, okay, lower high, and if the price can actually break above 6.12, okay, then I will tell you that, okay, my view of the current situation condition of Top Glove will turn to short-term bullish. Okay, so now my view is sideways, okay, and possible bearish. Okay, sideways or possible, okay, bearish. Okay, so Supermax also, okay, Supermax stronger, okay, the rebound is stronger, as I said, you see the rebound, okay, previously the rebound, okay, is not so strong, okay, this one you see the rebound is stronger, means the buyers now are stronger, okay, the buyers are stronger, and as I said that day, the price need to stay above 5.645, right, for a short-term uptrend, right? So most of the glove stock cannot stay above, okay, 5.645. Came up straight away, going slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, and we went back down, okay? So now the outlook is same thing, it's sideways, okay, until it can once again break above and hold above 5.645. Okay, it can hold above, then we go for a short term bullish, okay, and break above 7.19, long term bullish. So this one, and if it breaks down below 3.8, will be bearish. Okay, so watch 5.6 and 3.82. Okay, we are talking of longer term, not short term, longer term. Okay, investment. We talk about big four first. Kossan. Okay, Kossan. Okay, rubber Rex. Sorry, not rubber Rex, Supermax. Rubber Rex later. So you see, if we draw another, I have drawn another long-term channel, right? Okay, so the price is still remain inside this long-term channel. Okay, so there's no breakout. So this is the level that it must break out. Okay, in order to show that the price will be long-term bullish. Okay, so this one is neutral. Currently, it's neutral, sideways and neutral. Okay, Top Glove broken above channel, okay, broken above channel, but still, okay, it cannot break above the previous, okay, previous resistance. Okay, so this one uh, slightly better, okay, but haven't broke up the resistance. Okay, but this one is the level to watch. Okay, for longer term investment, these are the level to watch. Okay, Kossan haven't break out from this long-term channel. Okay, as I said, when we are still inside the long-term channel, downtrend channel, this downtrend channel, right? So this is still okay a bearish view. okay, a bearish view. Okay, long term is still a bearish outlook. Okay, so this one we have to wait. 3.15 to 4.52. Okay, so if the price can break above 4.52 and stay above 4.52, we are talking about short term, okay, possible short term uptrend. Okay, and it can break above 5.4, we talk about a long term uptrend. But you see what happened, 4.52, right? Talk about 4.52. You see, only one day it went above 4.52. Okay, the next day it went back below. Okay, this is a false break. So as long as the price stay inside 3.15 at 4.52, right? So we are talking about a sideways, okay, sideways market. HARTA. So HARTA is still looking at this, right? It's still in a downtrend channel, okay, downtrend channel. Okay, so as I said, price in a downtrend channel, right? It's not for me, right? I only buy stock that is on the uptrend channel. When I identify is in the uptrend channel or in the uptrend trend line, within the uptrend trend line, right? Uptrend market, right? Then I'm interested. This one for me still not interested. Okay, so currently, right, is in a sideways. Okay, the price went here. Okay, went back up, come back down. Okay, the problem why we want to say it's sideways. Okay, this is a higher high, but this high is lower than the previous high. You see, so okay, so this one could be continue sideways. Okay, it doesn't continue to make higher high. The higher high should be okay like that. So it doesn't make the higher low. Sorry, it didn't make a higher low, so it make a lower low. Okay, so this one looks maybe it still want to go down or maybe it want to sideways. Okay, so we look at 8.83 and 11.53. Okay, 11.53, 11.53, it can break above, so there will be a short term, okay, short term uptrend, but there is still a big resistance over here. Okay, this long term trend line over here. Okay, so to be safe, long term investment, okay, we want to look at this one. $13.78, then only there is a long term. Okay, so break above 11.53, there is a short term chance toward 13.78, and if the price break below 8.835, okay, so continue bearish. So we take a look at the other smaller one. The rubber Rex is more aggressive. Okay, it broke out from the resistance. It tried to hold for a few days, but it still cannot. It fall back down. So it fall back down. You see, and again, as I said, okay, the high, right? So it's not making a higher low. Okay, so the problem is, okay, the low it makes is not higher than this low. Okay, it should supposed to make a higher low. Okay, and the price rebound on this, okay, trend line. Okay, went up, rebound on this trend line. Though this is confirmed. Okay, uptrend. Okay, but it dropped back down. Okay, and it make the low is even lower than the previous low. Okay, so this one is could be sideways, okay, or could be bearish. Okay, it's yet to see. Okay, it's just yet to see, but watch now is watch this one 0.965 to 1.3. Okay, so we stay inside here. Okay, it just we can consider it's sideways. Okay, we need a break above and or a break below will be downtrend continue. A break above, okay, will be short term uptrend. HLT, okay, also break out from the channel, broke out from the channel, okay, and now it's testing the channel top. Okay, broke out, it's testing the channel top. Okay, this one looks better, slightly better because, okay, it's still holding the high. Okay, that is still okay, slightly similar or slightly higher than the previous low, the low. Okay, so if we can rebound here, possible there is opportunity. Okay, but Okay, the important point now we want to see is here, 1.295. Okay, for it to turn bullish, right, means long-term bullish, it need to go and stay above 1.295 to consider, okay, long-term bullish. Okay, so this is still short-term bullish, and if the price drop below 0.805, then this one will turn, okay, to bearish. Okay, so if the price cannot break these two level, okay, we are going to be a sideways market. Means price will rotate between 0.805 to 1.295. Okay, comfort. So comfort is still on a downtrend, okay, still on a downtrend channel. Okay, so that day price try to break above resistance, one day, the second day it fall back down, and the third day, okay, it fall back in. Second day already so near to the resistance, then the third day, okay, it fall back down. So let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so the third day you see, but one day went back up above the resistance. It's a resistance line, right? Second day already got sold down. The third day went back down. So this is another false break. Okay. Look at momentum, okay. So you see the previous, okay, the previous spike, when the price go down, the spike is not so much. So this time, okay, you see the price, the buyers are stronger, no doubt about it, no doubt about it. Okay, now the buyers are actually stronger. Okay, but it cannot break above here. Okay, it cannot break above here. Okay, means, okay, there is still strong resistance. So we look at 2.745 and 1.860. Okay, so for the price to turn short-term bullish, it need to break above 2.745. Okay, it once it break this one and it above, and it can break above 3.55, then they will be long-term bullish. Okay, means the price will continue to go up. Okay, so if, okay, if the price drop below 1.860, okay, then this will continue the downtrend. Okay, so this one possible sideways, continue sideways until, okay, it can break the 2.745. Okay, then this will be a long term, short term to long term investment. So K plus, the long term channel, I've done the long term channel. So this one also, it, okay, it tried to break out from the long term channel and it fall back in. Okay, but you can see, the previous buyer's support, the previous push, okay, of the buyer's push, okay, is not as strong. This one, the buyer's, okay, push is stronger. Okay, so definitely there is more buying interest. Okay, definitely there are more buying interest. So for now, look at 1.955 and 3.045. Okay, if the price doesn't break out these two area, it could be sideways. Okay, means possible. Okay, there is opportunity to buy at 1.955 and sell at 3.045, sideways trading. Okay, but sideways trading, be careful. Okay, it's not easy to do. Okay, and once it can break above 3.045, then we will have a long term, okay, uptrend outlook, okay, for this stock. Okay, but okay, but the main thing is want to look at the index. Okay, the index. If the index stays sideways, okay, so there's nothing much to play with. Okay, unless the index breaks this one 3415. Okay, then we call it a short term, possible a short term. Okay, momentum bullish. Okay, but we want to see, what we want to see for long term investment is a break of this trend line. Okay, a break above 3.679. Okay, so this one, then we could have a long term, okay, gain, okay, long term investment in our hand. Okay, so I hope this one, okay, can give some clarity, okay, to the chart, okay, to the growth stock, This is what I see, okay, and this is only my opinion. This is not financial advice. Okay, what I see on the glove stock. Okay, so remember, like and share my video, support my channel, and always remember, if you're new here, always subscribe, and always press the bell, press the bell to get the notification when I upload a new video. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, tomorrow I'll answer some other question. Don't worry. Okay, if you guys have any question, also you can post it. Leave your comment below. Okay, I'll try to attend to the question within these few days. So, selamat Hari Raya. Thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.